Zero-cost side hustles you can start today. Think you need a big budget to start a side hustle? Think again. Today, I'm sharing 3 powerful side hustles that require zero upfront costs. No excuses, no delays, just opportunities to start creating income and building your dreams right now. Let's dive in. Got skills? Whether it's writing, graphic design, or managing social media, freelancing platforms like Fiverr or Upwork make it easy to connect with clients. Start small, learn as you go, and watch your income grow. It's all about getting started with what you already have, your talent. Love creating? Turn ideas into passive income by selling digital products like ebooks, templates, or printables. Gumroad and Etsy let you upload and list for free. No inventory, no shipping. Just your creativity bringing in sales 24/7 while you focus on new opportunities. Already love certain products? Share them with others and earn through affiliate commissions. Programs like Amazon Affiliates let you recommend your favorites and get paid. No investment, just your enthusiasm turning everyday recommendations into real income. The best part? You can do this from anywhere. The only thing standing between you and your first side hustle is action. Pick one idea today, take the first step, and build consistency. Dreams don't wait for perfect timing. They wait for you. Start now, and let this be the moment you invest in your future. Ready to begin? Let's go.